Thanks for checking us out today at Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I've got the privilege of showing you our 2018 Surveyor by Forest River. It's a b265rlds travel trailer. It's got the big antenna up top, the ladder, bike rack in the back, which does fold up. Let me show you some things on here. We've got the power slide out here, of course. Let's open it up. And first thing that pops out at you is the island. It's got the kitchen island here. Super clean travel trailer here, guys. Luxurious. Check it out. It's got the skylight that opens up as a vent. You can move this wherever you want. Fold out bed, another bed there. It's got the flat screen TV. I just checked it here, just using the antenna. I think we pulled in 26 channels, something like that. Pretty cool. Full kitchen, fridge, freezer. Even got the oven and the stovetop. Microwave has the range hood there. Here's your view looking out as you're grilling breakfast. Get some eggs and bacon on there, right? Here's our island. Lots of storage in this thing. Does have AC and heat, does work. Go into the bathroom here. It's a full bathroom. It's got the sink, vanity mirror, full shower. Let's open this up. I think this is pretty clean too. There we go. And we've got the commode. Turn the lights on in here. I'm gonna open this door. There we go. So we've got these LEDs up top here, running off of 12 volt. I believe that's a queen size bed. It's got the nice storage in through there. Storage everywhere. Some hangers there. Storage above here. Very well thought out. Does have sky view there that vents. The previous owners just put a piece of cloth there. That can be removed, of course. Let's show you the rest of this machine. Like I said, very clean. Tires are like new. It's only traveled to West Virginia 3 times, and it was set up for a season. Was told it was stored indoors, off season. Let's open this. Some nice storage there. It's got the power hitch, 2 propane tanks. I believe they are about half. Got the LEDs up here, perfect for loading at nighttime. Just snap that light on. Here's the other part of the breezeway. It does come with a lot of accessories. Jacks on all 4. Try I can open this without a key. I think it's unlocked. There we go. Outside shower to rinse off your feet or take a little shower. Your city water, cable and internet, satellite connection there. I should say cable and satellite. I shouldn't say internet. Here's our other big slide out. Works effortlessly. Back up so you can see this thing. So she sleeps about 5 comfortably. Does have that power awning. You can fold up this bike rack. Got the ladder. Very well thought out. Very nice condition. And we've got it priced to move. Please give us a call at 717-733-8985. You can visit us online at Rocky Ridge Auto. We would love to serve you and to show you this travel trailer. We've got financing available. Even the truck in front of it is for sale, folks. There you go. You're all set up. So please stop in, give us a call. Love to help you out.